In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask for technical help in PayPal. If you're running into an issue with your account, a payment, or something on the website that just isn't working as expected, PayPal has a built-in support section that can help you find answers quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go and how to use the technical help area effectively so you can either find a solution on your own or better describe your problem. To get started, log into your PayPal account and go to your account summary page. Once you're there, look for the help option. This is usually easy to find in the main navigation area. Go ahead and click on Help to open PayPal Support Center. After the help page loads, look for the section labeled Technical Help. Click on Technical Help to continue. This area is specifically designed for issues related to using the platform, such as trouble accessing certain features, error messages, or other technical problems you may be experiencing. Going straight to this section can save time because it narrows the support content to more relevant topics. Once you're in the technical help section, you'll have two main ways to proceed. The first option is to browse the available articles. These articles are useful if your issue matches a common problem that other users have experienced before. In many cases, PayPal already provides step-by-step guidance that can help you fix the issue without needing to contact support directly. The second option is to type your concern into the search field. This is helpful if your issue is specific or if you're not sure which article category it falls under. Try to describe the problem clearly using simple keywords. For example, instead of typing a full sentence, focus on the main issue, such as login problem, payment error, or account access. That usually makes it easier to find the most relevant results. As you search or browse, take a moment to read the article titles carefully before opening them. This can help you avoid wasting time on unrelated topics. If one article doesn't solve the problem, go back and try another result, or adjust your search terms slightly. That's all it takes to ask for technical help in PayPal. By using the help section, opening technical help, and then either browsing articles or typing your concern, you can quickly move toward a solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out in the next video.